Hello my dear friends, welcome back to the another episode, the another video lecture. This is your ADC. Please kindly subscribe, comment and share our YouTube channel if you really deserve it. Okay. So diagonalization of a real symmetric matrix. Diagonalization of a real symmetric matrix. So this technique works only for the real symmetric matrix. When we say that the matrix is symmetric, the transpose of the matrix is equal to A. The transpose of the matrix is equal to A is called symmetric matrix. And they are called the real. The elements of the given matrix are real. Then what is the procedure? The process of finding the or obtaining the diagonal matrix D, whose diagonal elements of D are nothing but the eigenvalues of the given matrix. So the process of finding the diagonal matrix D, whose diagonal elements are nothing but the eigenvalues of A. So for example, A is a given matrix and lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are the eigenvalues of the given matrix, or the eigenvalues of the given matrix A. Okay, then what is the diagonal matrix D? The diagonal matrix D is nothing but the diagonal elements lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. So the three diagonals are nothing but the eigenvalues of A. So this is the diagonalization of the given real symmetric matrix. So to find this diagonal matrix, the procedure is often called as diagonalization. So how to get this D matrix? In the diagonals alone, the non-zero value that are nothing but the eigenvalues of the given matrix. The eigenvalues of the given real symmetric matrix. All other elements are zero. So how we will get the procedure? The process is known as the diagonalization of a real symmetric matrix. Understand? Now, what's a procedure? What's a procedure to obtain such a diagonal matrix? See the step number 1. Let A be the any given real symmetric matrix of 3 by 3 matrix. So the first step is to find the eigenvalues of A. Lambda 1, lambda 2 named as lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are the three eigenvalues of the given matrix. Now second step, to find the corresponding eigenvectors of A. The corresponding eigenvectors are x1, x2, x3. Got it? And third one is very important. Third one is to verify that the x1, x2, x3 are pairwise orthogonal. Pairwise orthogonal vector. Pairwise orthogonal vectors is very important. That means that x1 transpose x2 equal to 0, x2 transpose x3 equal to 0, and x1 transpose x3 equal to 0. Please kindly check whether all the three eigenvectors are pairwise orthogonal vectors. Right? And step number 4. Let us construct the normalized model matrix. Let us construct the normalized model matrix. What is the normalized model matrix? N. The normalized model matrix N is nothing but whose eigenvalues are the normalized model matrix are nothing but whose column vectors are the normalized eigenvectors. For example, if you see that when you give n is equal to x1 by length of x1, x2 by length of x2, x3 by length of x1. What about the second column? x1 by length of x2, x2 by length of x2, x3 by length of x2. Third one, x1 by length of x3, x2 by length of x3, and x3 by length of x3. I made a separate video for the normalized eigenvectors. So what about the first one? First one from the first eigenvector. Second one based on the second eigenvector. Third one from the third eigenvector. We find out its length and divide by their corresponding lengths. It is fixed in the first column, first eigenvector, second column, second normalized eigenvector, third one, third normalized eigenvector. So this matrix is called the normalized model matrix. Normalized model matrix. So this is the important step, fourth step. Third step, to check whether it's a pairwise orthogonal vectors. Fourth one is this one. And fifth step, by using the orthogonal transformation, to find the diagonal matrix D. What is diagonal matrix D? Diagonal matrix D is nothing but n transpose AN. What is the n? N is the normalized model matrix. What about n transpose? Transpose of this matrix. Let us multiply the n transpose and the given matrix A and the n, which will get the diagonal matrix is nothing but lambda 1 0 0 0 lambda 2 0 0 0 lambda 3. So this is called the diagonalization of the real symmetric matrix. Diagonalization of the real symmetric matrix. Diagonal matrix whose leading diagonal elements are nothing but the eigenvalues of the given matrix lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are the eigenvalues of A. So once we got the first step, once we find the eigenvalues, we know the answer. What's the answer? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. That's right. But how we will get this diagonal matrix? Let us find out the eigenvectors, then check whether they are pairwise, then let us construct the normalized model matrix and multiply D equal to n transpose AN. And one more thing, once if they are pairwise orthogonal matrix, obviously n is an orthogonal matrix. N is an orthogonal matrix. So when we say that the matrix is orthogonal, how we will get the length of the eigenvector and how we will find out the normalized eigenvectors? Please go and watch. I have made a separate video to determine the length of the vector as well as the pairwise orthogonal vector and the normalized vectors. Please kindly go and watch my videos. Thank you for your support. Please kindly support our YouTube channel. This is signing off, ADC Max. Thank you. Thank you so much.